Hello everyone, so I have a quick one for you guys. I wanted to show you exactly how to use Bob Smith Industries 30-minute slow cure epoxy. This is the one I love to use to bling out most of my blinged out cups. If you guys don't know already, I love to bling, and I do show you guys how to use the epoxy in almost about every single video, but I wanted to do just one to focus on this. So this is the epoxy. This is how it looks in a brand new package. I'll link it down below if you guys want to go check it out. But I love how durable this epoxy is when it comes to blinging out the cup. So just in case you guys don't know how to use it, I'm going to show you right now. So to begin, I have my sticky notes right here. I love to use these because they are disposable, and some toothpicks to mix the epoxy and apply it to my cup. This is all I need besides my epoxy. So now when you buy the epoxy, it does come sealed, so you are gonna have to cut off the tips on both ends. This is a part A and part B epoxy. It is equal size amounts of both that you need to mix it, and that's what's gonna create that glue, that epoxy that you need to apply to that cup so those rhinestones will stick. So what I do is I hold one bottle on each hand, and then I carefully press both at the same time so equal parts will come out at the same time. I just put a little bit, guys, and then I look at it, make sure it looks even. I just eyeball it, guys, to be honest with you. This is how I do it. I do work by section, so that's why I work with a little bit at a time. Once I am done, I cover both bottles and make sure you put the right lid on each one. That's why they're colored. And then I get my handy dandy toothpick and I mix both together for around, I would say, 30-40 seconds. Make sure it is completely mixed together. Depending how much epoxy you have, it might take longer to mix, but just make sure there's no bubbles in there, that it is completely mixed together, because that's what's gonna make the solution come together and create that glue. So like I said, when I'm working on a cup, I work by sections. I don't need that much, honestly, but if you are working on bigger projects, you can always use measuring cups, so you don't have to be eyeballing it. You know, you can actually see the measurements, make sure they are half and half, and then mix it together. But yes, guys, that is it. That easy and that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick tutorial. Now you know how to use the epoxy to bling out your cups. Go have some fun and be creative. Like and subscribe. Go check out all my DIY videos, guys. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.